Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I am Ferelina Dito Mokasag the Junior from BC2B. In this video, we'll explore two amazing online learning platforms, the FET Simulations and the CK12org. These tools but help students learn in fun and interactive ways, but they have the key differences. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand which one is suited for your learning style best. Let's start by understanding what these platforms are. PET simulations are interactive science and math simulations developed by the University of Colorado Boulder. So they allow the student to experiment and discover concepts by adjusting variables in real time. And the CK12 is an educational platform that provides digital textbook like Textbooks, diba? Simulations, videos, and quizzes for different subjects. It is curriculum-based, aligned, and structured for step-by-step learning. Now, let's compare these two platforms in different aspects in terms of their features. So in FED simulations, subject covered mostly STEM, student science, technologies, engineering, and math. And the CK12 covered science, math, social studies, and engineering. So in terms of in their interactivity, the FED simulation is fully interactive. Student can experiment with variables. And in CK12, structured interactivity support textbook and lessons. So in terms of learning approach, the FET simulation is inquiry-based learning. Student can explore concept freely. And the CK12 is curriculum-based, follows step-by-step lessons. So in terms of teacher use, grade 4, the FET simulation great for exploratory activities and lab simulations. And the CK12 best for structured lessons, lesson plans, and homework assignment. And in online access, yes, pet simulation, you can use it offline with some simulations. And the CK12 is you can use it with offline. It requires internet connections. And in terms of best for pet simulations, hands-on learners, science experiment STEM subject. And the CK12 student who needs textbook support as structured learning. So as you can see, FIT is ideal for hands-on explorations, while CK12 is great for structured lessons with additional resources like quizzes and adaptive learning tools. Now, let us determine the strengths of on-learning platforms. So, FET simulations, it is high interactivity, engaging simulations for STEM subject. Work can be work offline with some simulations. And the weaknesses of the FET is limited to STEM subject and no built-in quizzes. But CK12, CK12 or its cover a wide range of subjects, provide structured textbook, quizzes, and videos. It is aligned with school curriculum. That is the strength of the CK12. And the weaknesses of the CK12, less interactive than FET, requires internet. Also, the CK12 requires internet connections. So, both platforms have their strengths. If you have experiment or an experiment and exploring, FET is perfect. If you prefer step-by-step lessons with quizzes, CK12 is better choice. How teachers and students can use them. So, in FET simulations, use simulations in science and math lessons to visualize abstract concepts, assign interactivity lab activities, explore physics, chemistry, and biology topics. For CK12, use Flexbook and digital textbook for structured lessons, and assign quizzes and adaptive practice for personalized learning. So, and how students can use these platforms. Use fit simulations for experimenting and understanding science through hands-on play. And CK12 for reading lessons, practicing exercise, and preparing for exam. In conclusion, which platform is best for you? If you love hands-on experiments, go with FET. And if you need structured learning, CK12 is best friend. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.